Hello guys, so welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you one based Faucet Bitcoin website, and you can claim your Faucet instantly in your Faucet Pay. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is the Faucet Bitcoin website, and this is the claiming. Every 0 minute you can claim for our 6 Satoshi. And if you want to claim, just click I'm human, pay you 100% bonus to claiming that. Okay, first they show you one advertisement, then you can claim your Faucet. Okay, wait some second. Okay, this is the advertisement that told you wait 10 seconds, click one, and you can wait some second to complete. Okay, click one. Okay, and finally scroll down and click on click 2 at the slide bar. Okay, you can scroll down to show you your click 2. Okay, then you can click. Okay, you can watch. This is the click 2. If you scroll it a little bit down, the click 2 pop up. Click this one and wait some seconds, and you can wait some seconds to reload. Okay, now tell you to click one. Just click one, and then click 2. Just click one. Okay, click one, and then they show you the click 2. Okay, and this is click 2. Click 2. Okay, and this is the continue. Click continue, and they pay you your Satoshi. Okay, the capture incorrect, try again. Okay, and didn't show me any capture. Click one, click 2. Okay, click okay, didn't show me any capture right now. Just I click this one. Okay, right now show me a capture. This one is very easy, not too hard. With my internet connection is a little bit harder, and if your internet connection is very fast, you can claim very fast. Okay, I wait until 6 seconds. Okay, to show me my link. 2 1 and click this one. Okay, getting link. Okay, you can now copy and paste your address in here. Go to deposit, copy the link, come back and paste in here. Click I'm human, and fill a capture. Fill this little capture too, and click get reward. Okay, and they pay you instantly this much Satoshi in your Faucet Pay. And I go to Faucet Pay, just use a dash and come down to show you. Okay, this one is the payment I received from this website. Okay, this website link in description. 32 time claim per day. Right now for me is 31 time. 8 or 20 Satoshi you can claim. You can claim every 0 second, and no timer, just click I'm human, just fill some captures and you can claim your faucet. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos.